If I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. This is arroz con leche de coco. In essence, is white rice with coconut milk, and this is very simple. I'm going to start. I have the heat at couple notches above medium. Because I'm going to be cooking 1 cup of rice, I'm going to put here 3/4 cup of coconut milk and 3/4 cups of water. And what I'm trying to do is have about maybe a little bit more total of liquids than the solids. I add the rice, and I'm going with Jasmine. And the reason I'm going with Jasmine is because I like how it smells. Tend to be more of Asian type rice. You can go medium rice, but I like Jasmine. So let me do something here. Let's see how much. I'm going to add a little bit more water. The trick is to have about 1/4 inch more of liquid that you have of the rice. I have some coconut oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil. What I'm doing with this, I just adding a tiny bit, you know what I mean? Just a tiny bit. You're going to let it boil first, like simmer first. Once it starts simmering, what you're going to do is you're going to turn the heat down to like medium, and you're going to cover it. That's why you add water. The water is going to create that steam that's necessary to cook this rice properly. When the liquids start evaporating, now it's time to start stirring the stuff. Give it a good stir. See? Don't go crazy, just a good stir. Cover again. About a minute or so later, another quick stir. Lower the heat, couple notches below medium. Cover one more time. Let go for a couple more minutes. Uncover it. Quick stir so they don't stick together. See how grainy this baby is? Very grainy, huh? Let me get a fork to show you. See how grainy? It's not super grainy because of the coconut milk, but it's grainy and delicious. And you can add some coconut flakes on the top. Mine are unsweetened. Yours can have a little bit of sweetness if you want to.